everyone, it's me Arif, and today we have a short hands-on with the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i, and we have the Orchid color here. It's really a unique color for the laptop. Anyhow, let's begin with the short unboxing here. In the box you have the laptop. Let's keep it aside for now. Below the laptop we have few documentation, and that's it. Let's unpack the laptop now. And then we also have the charger provided in the cardboard box, which I kept out already. It's a Type-C and it supports Lenovo's rapid charging. So let's talk about the build and the design of this laptop. I really like this subtle naming going on here, and I love this Lenovo Yoga being on the side. Doesn't distract the beauty much. Also in the front we have this naming design going on. So the body of this laptop, it is kind of made of metal on the bottom and a kind of mixture of metal and plastic for the top side. Don't quote me on this, as I'm truly not sure whether there was any plastic involved or not, as this device feels so light. Lenovo did a great job in hiding them. If you see it in person, you might as well be confused about the material it is made of. As always, this is the 180-degree flipping of the screen by Lenovo, and the power button is on the side and it feels quite soft. Doesn't have a great feedback upon pressing the power button, and I got confused while trying to turn it on whether I pushed it or not quite a lot. So in this device, in the I/O department, we have two Type-Cs on the left side. One is for the power, the charging with the LED for charging, and the other, I believe, is a Thunderbolt port. So you might be able to connect a eGPU. I haven't tested that yet because I don't have an eGPU. Also on the same side, we have an HDMI port and a headphone jack. On the other side, we have the power button with the LED for power, no fingerprint sensor here. We have two Type-A ports and a microSD slot for extra storage, if you will. And that's it for the I/O department. So for the keyboard and the touchpad, firstly, the touchpad feels tiny, but considering the size, I think it's okay, but I prefer larger touchpad. And I don't think I have to say much about the Lenovo's keyboard. They are one of the best and most comfortable keyboards to type on for longer periods of time. They're backlit with different levels as well, so you will have a great nighttime typing experience. The display is stunning. My variant has a 1080p display and it's amazing. The quality is great, but I think the viewing angle isn't much greater during my short usage. I would have preferred a better viewing angle considering it's a 1080p and it's a glare-free display. Anyhow, for the speakers, they're tuned by Dolby Atmos and they are loud, they have great bass, and sadly I didn't record any speaker, but trust me on this, according to the form factor, it's superb. The sound quality is great in my opinion. I don't really have to say anything else once you take a look at the spec sheet. It is rocking the 10th gen Core i7 with turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz, and there is the dedicated 2GB NVIDIA MX350 graphics controller. My device here has the 16GB DDR4 RAM and the 512 gigs of SSD. Along with this, there is a Bluetooth 5.0, kinda old, but we have the Wi-Fi 6, which is the better connecting Wi-Fi at the moment, and there is Windows facial recognition IR cameras on the top. So overall, it's a smooth sailing laptop for anyone, from a heavy user to a light user. Me personally, I'm more than satisfied. The file transfer, the application downloading and editing is very smooth. There aren't any major hiccups during my usage, and the laptop/the fan stayed very cool with no noise whatsoever, thanks to the intelligent cooling system of Lenovo. In conclusion, the device offers a great performance. With amazing battery life, it boots really fast, and it might be a great alternative to other laptops depending on the price in your location. In my area with such specs and such a price, there were no one else offering such a good deal, so I had to take it. Sadly, I would have preferred a fingerprint sensor due to the current situations we're facing. I would have also loved to see more screen than bezels. And that's it. This was my short review of the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i. That's a mouthful, isn't it? Anyhow, thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe. Bye.